The worst prison in the world is a home without peace. You don't need bars to feel trapped. You don't need chains to be a prisoner. Sometimes the loudest screams are the ones you never hear. The silence after an argument. The way you walk on eggshells in your own house. The way your heart races when a door slams. That's not just stress. That's survival. And no one should have to survive in the one place where they resuppose to feel safe. A home is supposed to hold you, not hurt you. It's supposed to be a refuge, not a war zone. But when peace disappears, when love turns cold, when anger fills the air like smoke, you start to shrink. You become smaller, quieter, hidden. You lose parts of yourself just to keep things calm. That's the kind of prison no one sees. Because there are no visible bruises, no locked doors. It's just a soul that slowly forgets how to breathe freely. But hear this. Peace is not a luxury. It's a basic right. You deserve a home where you can laugh without fear. Where your tears are wiped, not dismissed. Where you are held, not harmed. And if you've been surviving in chaos for too long, please don't forget. You are worthy of peace, even if you have to fight for it. Even if you have to build it from scratch. Even if you have to walk away to find it. You were never meant to be a prisoner in your own home. You were meant to be free, to feel safe, to finally breathe again. Because even the smallest home with peace is richer than a mansion filled with pain. If this touched your heart, subscribe and click the notification bell. More inspiration is coming your way.